Greetings to you all and welcome to the lesson. We are going to begin the study of the subject financial accounting that is examined in the CPA and CIFA courses. It's my hope you have with you the syllabus. Make sure you also have somewhere to write. And in our subsequent topics, you are required to have a calculator. For those of you who will be appearing in the next exam, we have very limited time. I urge you to ensure that you be consistent, study ahead, ensure that you do assignments, work out past paper questions. Over and above the video lectures, we have study texts and revision partners that contain past papers and solutions. So at the end of every topic, ensure you get the revision partners. We have arranged the questions topically with answers. So you can revise topically, answer the questions that are provided in the revision partner, then you can refer to the answers at the back of the book. In the event or in case you need the study texts, our study texts are available on, you can buy them through the website or you can visit us in our shop. We do countrywide deliveries. So welcome once again to the subject. And this subject candidates, reading from the syllabus, we have the unit description. This is paper number 1, financial accounting. This paper is intended to introduce the candidate to the overall purpose of accounting, applicable regulations, the accounting treatment and presentation of basic transactions, and the preparation and analysis of financial statements. That is the objective of this subject. It is to introduce you as a candidate to the overall purpose of accounting, applicable regulations, the accounting treatment and presentation of basic transactions, and preparation and analysis of financial statements. The learning outcomes are as follows. Number 1, by the end of this training, you should be able to prepare books of original entry and basic ledger accounts under the double entry system. Number 2, prepare basic financial statements of sole traders, partnerships, companies, manufacturing entities, and not-for-profit organizations. Number 3, comply with regulatory framework in the accounting field. Number 4, analyze financial statements by use of ratios and statement of cash flows. And lastly, you are required to demonstrate basic understanding of public sector accounting framework. Now, the course has 12 topics. For you to be able to attain or achieve the learning outcomes, you're supposed to cover 12 topics. The first one being Introduction to Accounting. Number 2, the accounting process and systems. Number 3, regulation and other principles guiding the accounting profession. Number 4, accounting for assets and liabilities. Number 5, financial statements of a sole trader. Number 6, financial statements of a partnership. Number 7, financial statements of a company. Number 8, financial statements of manufacturing entity. Number 9, statements of not-for-profit entity. Number 10, correction of errors and preparation and preparing financial statements with incomplete records. 11, analyzing financial statements. 12, accounting in the public sector. These are 12 topics. In our today's lesson, we're going to begin with the introduction to accounting. Introduction to accounting. Introduction to accounting. We're going to first of all define accounting. definition of accounting. What is the meaning of the word accounting? Because it is introduction to accounting. Now, candidates, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating financial information about an economic entity. You understand? It is the process of identifying. It is the process first of all of identifying economic information. Then after identifying, you measure. You first identify economic information, you measure economic information, you record, recording, right? Measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, right? Identifying, measuring, recording, summarizing, reporting, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating economic information to aid decision making by the users. So candidates, that is the definition of accounting. It is the process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, reporting, analyzing, interpreting, and communicating of economic information to aid decision making by the users. Accounting is derived from the word account, to account. All right? To account is to identify, to measure, record, classify, summarize, analyze, interpret, and communicate. You understand? So it's important for us, first of all, to understand what is the meaning of accounting.